Mike. With my mic this morning. Good morning guys. Good morning fellow traders. Everybody, welcome back this morning. I hope you all having a great start. Turbao in the house. I trades 80 scalper. ND. What is going on? Save Sakura. Only pencil. The final countdown in the house. Trader 007. Everybody, welcome back, guys. Jay Rear, Sirphony, daily day trades, guys. Better price action this morning. Let's get it. All right, so I was in a trade last night, and of course this market halted, and I wake up this morning and looks like my account's gone. So CME owes me an account, guys. CME owes me an account. I don't think these firms are gonna do anything, to be honest, so there's really no point in taking it up with the firm. But it's just an eval, it's fine. I'll just reload. I'm not going to waste my life trying to find a new guy. New day, new account. Exactly, brother. Good stuff. All right, guys, good luck everybody if you guys are trading this morning. A much better much better price action, I guess, right? Much better, man. We are definitely starting to move, so that's good. Is the equities actually open? I don't think the equities are actually oh, actually no, equities are actually running right now. Oh yeah, so the equities are actually going, it's moving. All right, the market is open. Okay, I see. It was just last night, eh? On Thursday morning and afternoon. I guess that was the half day. All right, Nvidia is still down about 1.5% right now as we speak. All right, let's wow, TradingView has a big Black Friday offer. Interesting. I mean, I don't really need anything crazy from TradingView, to be honest. So Black Friday. Look at that. I like their banner. Really nice banner. Let's take a look at the SPY here. SPY trying to get a nice little break out of the zone, which was kind of expected, but 1 second, guys. A mixed bag. Apple down this morning, Nvidia down about 1.5%, Tesla kind of break even at this point, Microsoft running up, Meta running up as well, Google kind of down a little bit. All right, Bitcoin up 92%, sorry, not 90%, $92,000 on Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin moving, Ethereum moving to the upside. Ethereum over $3,000 right now. Incredible. All right, so let's try to get back into my trading here. Top Step liquidated your NQ long, really? And yeah, I mean, these firms are not going to do anything for us, right? Unfortunately, we realized that. Too bad, you know. I don't know, man. What a waste of losing an account like that, right? You know, it's not our fault. Or maybe, I don't know, maybe we shouldn't have been trading last night. I'm not sure. I got in, I was kind of trying to swing trade last night into this morning, but then of course I never really got a chance to get out of my trade either. So yeah, I kind of got stuck in that trade, and then obviously ended up blowing my eval account, which it's not the end of the world, by the way, but just doesn't feel that good. You know what I mean? Getting liquidated by somebody else, not me. All right, guys, good luck, everybody. Let's get it. All right, so today's a half day too. It's gonna be a short day. You guys have not seen the Lucid promo. I think the Lucid promo is up and running right now, I think, if I'm not wrong. All right, guys, this market's kind of choppy. Right in this triangle now, we're kind of like, either we get a nice little breakout or we get a pullback here. Okay, from a larger time frame, I don't really see anything pretty significant here by any means. I do kind of feel though that hold on one second, guys. I'm gonna exit this trade right now. I'll exit this trade right now, guys. I made 350 bucks. I'm not gonna try to make anything beyond that. I think 350 is a pretty good number. I'll take it. But there's one account that I can't trade, and let me just try to see if I can trade. Yeah, I can't trade because this. So by the way, you cannot trade accounts on funding ticks if you requested a payout and if it's not approved just yet, then you cannot trade. They put your account on hold. Just FYI, guys, if you guys are trading the funding ticks, just letting you know. So I can't trade this account, unfortunately, so I'm gonna have to move on to something else. I kind of like what I see in this NQ. The gold trying to pump. NQ, all right, so the thing is, right, NQ, we have to hold this 365, because if we can't hold this 365, I think we push it all the way back down into the 193. That's way too far off. Once again, I'm looking at the 30-minute chart here. Yeah, 335. Yeah, so 335 would be the next level of support. And if that doesn't really hold, then I think we're in trouble here. Let me just draw a little triangle here back again. So we got a couple levels I'm kind of watching right now. So we got 351, we got 331, right? And then we also have, to the upside, we also have the 394. So I'm going to be not copying. I'm going to be watching these levels, and I want to see where the market's going to actually break into, right? So I want to see if we break out or if we break down. I don't know if this is a perfect place to kind of get into a trade, even though I'm kind of looking for a scalp, a micro scalp. So I'm gonna kind of wait. It doesn't look, it looks kind of murky from a larger time frame, kind of like mixed bag, right? We hit that 422 and hit the ceiling, and we got a big fat rejection off that level. So I kind of feel like we get a little pullback here, but we'll see, guys. If we can break out of this 422, then we could see ourselves get back into the 500 area. Yeah, the 500 area is definitely an area that I think it's where this market would like to get to. 500, I think probably definitely a doable area, but we got to get through this 422 first before we do that. All right. Good morning, everyone. Ange, what is going on, man? Sirafix, Jordan, Milk, D1 Trades, what up? Pro Gale, Nani, D Jung, Thanos Trade, 7 Wards, Lovely Sani, Shidon, Full Send Capital. Everybody, welcome back, guys. A great morning, a much better price action that we are getting right now, guys. Could be a fun morning. We have a short morning though, right? We only have what? It closes at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so yeah, we still have about 2.5 hours to go for this market to close. So let's try our level best to get something out of this market this morning, guys. Holy. All right, things kind of starting to slow down. Things kind of starting to slow down. All right, guys, so we are trying to break out of this level now. Let's see if we can actually run and hold the 387, guys. Let's see if we hold this. I like it so far, but it's got to hold. All right, a little rejection there off that level. 380.
Order filled.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna try and go long here.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm long here right now. Let's see if we can actually get a nice little push back into the 400, and let's try to see if we can pierce through that. My first take profit at 392 now, and second take profit at the 400 area. I hope we don't get a rejection right now off the bat. Nice little trade. Let's just keep pushing this. Come on, let's keep pushing this. $395, my next level of take profit here. $395. Let's see if we can actually get a nice little push. I will exit this trade if we end up getting a pullback into 374 though. Right? I don't think I want to be holding this trade. Anything beyond that. 374, 370 area, and then 365. I will exit my trade. Actually, you know what? I lied. I lied. Let me just bring it back down a little bit. 361. There we go. Yeah, 361. All right, guys. I'm gonna try to take one more off the table right now. I'm down to 4 now, guys. I'm down to 4. 4 contracts down. Better feel way better comfortable now. Okay, so yeah, now I can trail my stop to 375. Stop trail to 75. All right, that's where my stop is gonna be on average, give or take. And now I'm gonna be looking for the 400 as my next level of take profit. Let's see if we can actually get a nice little pierce through that area. Yeah, I'm not looking for something crazy here, to be honest. Just a couple $100 if I can. That's the goal on this trade. That's the goal. The thing is, we could get a little fake breakdown, you know what I mean? That's what I'm kind of a little concerned about. And it's always done that quite a lot of times, so... yeah, it kind of really slowed down as well. No good, guys. This price action is not as good as I thought it's going to be. We only had that first 30 minutes of the day pretty volatile, and then all of a sudden it kind of really died out. So gotta be careful, guys. The volume kind of dying, no volume too. So I guess not a day to be too overly aggressive here coming to this morning, but nonetheless, I'm still in a trade. I'm still looking for that nice little push up if you can. No bueno, everybody. Welcome back, guys. Guys, do not forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. We got our giveaway happening here today, so let's get it, guys. Mr. Rug, what up? Scalper in the house. See Joe, the boss, here. The final countdown, yay! Botanica, Anish, Super Mario, Shanshan is here in the house as well, man. What is going on? James Kim, hey man, what up, bro? How's it going? By the way, guys, it's still Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, and we've got a Black Friday happening right now as we speak, guys. Lots of Black Friday offers. Let's get it. Yeah, I kind of still like, obviously, I don't know. I like the, you know, I like the funding tick so far. So, and I like the funded next to the legacy account with no consistency. I kind of like that. So, anyways, guys, I mean, this market's kind of like a little choppy here. Very choppy. Not really there. Nothing really to be crazy about. I would like to see this thing pierce through that 400, man. We just can't do that. Yeah. I'm trying to be patient as much as I can, but this market is definitely testing my patience here right now. So, all right, guys, I'm still leaning slightly more to the upside. Let's see if we get it, guys. 400. All right, guys, we are peeling our profits off the table as we speak. Looking so good. I've got 2 contracts now. I'm down to 2. I'm gonna have a mental stop now. I'm gonna trail my mental stop. God, my God, this guy's market is just not very good, guys. Too choppy for StockTiger. All right, I'm gonna exit this trade right now. Oh well. What the heck, guys? What a bad price action here for us. Nothing really there to grab. I've got a lot of accounts to trade. I haven't done anything so far. The only thing that I've done is trade funding ticks, and that's it. Funding ticks is the only thing that I've traded. and everything else, I'm kind of like still. Yeah, we are getting a little pullback down. 385, guys, 385. If we can't hold this, then I think we break it down. Yeah, we just can't break out of this level, hey? 400 to 425. Definitely having a little bit of a tough time to try to break out of this area now. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this market's sitting at 383. This is not an area to kind of like try to step into a trade. Yeah, it's too risky, right? The risk reward is not there right now at this point. Either we push it down so I can kind of grab a long, or we push it higher so I can actually grab the short. It doesn't seem like it's gonna have some big directional move here today. It just doesn't seem like it wants to. All right, I don't know if this market is truly wanting to commit to the price action today. It looks like the big whales are still not in the game. It's just a small little retailer stepping up here today. $380, guys, $380. Let's see if we can actually get a nice little push down, or we got to break out of this area now. Nvidia is going down. Nvidia is down. It was down about 1.5% as we speak. Nvidia is down. So Nvidia down at about 1.5%, and Apple pulling back a little bit too. So yeah, Fubo down. Oh, Fubo is down, man. I like Fubo, but Fubo is down. A little less than $3 right now as we speak. Yeah, I'm actually thinking about loading in some Fubo, to be honest. Yeah, maybe Fubo, Live Nation too. Uber is up a little bit. Corsair. Well, let's just take a look at the mega caps. Oh, Microsoft is the one that's kind of like leading the way, and Meta too. Microsoft looks slightly better, but let's take a look at the VIX here for a moment. The VIX telling me it's to the downside for now, right? So, all right, let's get back to trading here. All right, the market 384. All right, guys, I may have to try and do a lot of micro scalping because I need to get, well, I'm not kind of forced to, but I would prefer to I would rather trade a lot more accounts and try to get maybe $100, you know, maybe a little more than that, than try to stick to one account. Let's try to see if I can actually finish off my accounts with Apex here for a moment.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm trading Apex accounts now. We'll look to see if we can actually get something out of this, guys.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm gonna do a lot of scalping here trade today, with an understanding that we are not gonna get any impulsive move here today. So let's try to see if we can actually grab something within this channel range. Chuseok is in September. Chuseok is in September, bro. All right, fellow traders, we are breaking here to the downside. Let's see.
Order filled.
Oops, I got into the wrong side of the trade.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm done trading that too. All right, guys, I'm gonna do a lot of micro scalping, right? Like I said again, so it's not gonna be with an understanding that there's not gonna be a directional move here today, at least. So, guys, by the way, we got a giveaway happening here today. Exclamation Tiger, if you want to give yourself a chance, you got a ticket and participate on this giveaway, guys. It's a 50K account, illicit giveaway. Good luck, everybody. If you are part of this giveaway, guys, good luck, everybody.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
And by the way, hold on 1 second. Let me just take a look at something else. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. We'll get our giveaway going probably in, you know, at 100 likes maybe. If you guys want to support the stream, guys. Thank you, everybody, for all your support. All right, we are pulling back here a little bit, guys. I'm down slightly. I'll look to see if we can actually get a little grind to the upside, guys. Maybe a pull back down to 350 and then maybe get a bounce off that level. All right, we are right at the pivot now at 360. We are pulling back here. Luckily, I'm not in heavily aggressive right here. Just 3 contracts right now, so. All right, I'm long here with small little size. I will look to add to long on a pullback here down. Let's see. Maybe, I don't know. Oh my god.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, guys, here I am. I've got 8 contracts now. I wouldn't say this is a small size anymore. Pretty heavy. But let's see if we can get a little pop here, a back bounce into the 380. That'll be nice if we do that. Yeah, it's kind of really like chopping here. Yeah, I've got to be careful, right? Because we could end up getting a flush down as well. So I better take my profits pretty quickly here, right? And that's the idea. All right, guys, I'm looking for a little bounce back into 380, guys. Let's see if we get it. My stop would be somewhere at 340. That's like 30 points away from where we are now. So but we'll see, guys. If we are not, well, this looks like a bear flag, to be honest with you. This could be a little bear flag, but if we can't get above this now, this could be a flush down. So gotta be careful here, guys. I gotta be careful. I'm gonna try to exit this very quickly here if I can. All right, guys, I'm down to 5 now. I'm down to 4 contracts. I feel a lot better, to be honest. Feel a lot better for sure. Yeah, 100%. So, all right, guys, we're at 375 now. We really have to get above this. 376, 378-ish. Right now, if you don't, then we are in trouble. We are in trouble. And StockTiger will be in trouble for sure, of course. All right, nice little bounce back up again, guys. Look at this. Oh my god, a rejection. All right, a final take profit at 386, I guess. Yeah, final take profit at 386. It is kind of moving. Still making profits along the way, so I'm not gonna complain. Yeah, I just want this thing to get over $100 if I can. Yeah, that's yeah. I'm not gonna try and be too greedy here today, right? There's only so much you can kind of expect from this market, guys. Man, I'm at $100. That's really all you need. $100, guys. Come on. That's all I need for now, right? I mean, we're trading all these accounts all individually now, so we got what we need, guys. All right, another trade on a different account. Let's see if we can get it, guys. 390 now. The market. We are right at the high. Getting pretty close to the swing high here, 404 area. So see, guys. All right, see, we had to take our profits very quickly here today, man. I don't know if short is the idea. I was gonna short right here, guys, by the way, and I was like, maybe not a good idea. All right, we still have not broken out, by the way, on a 30-minute chart. The bull flag is still not there just yet. So if you guys think this is gonna go to the Mars today, then it's maybe a little bit too early. A little bit too early, everybody. All right, so let's just take a look at the Nvidia here again. I just want to take a look. Nvidia kind of try to hold. Tesla trying to hold. Apple, Amazon, well, it's not as bad, but there's still no directional move here, right? The thing is, the Bitcoin trying to get a bounce back up again, which is great. $92,000 on the Bitcoin, guys. It looks better. All right, the Bitcoin looks better. The Bitcoin trying to get a bounce. I think we got maybe a little more room to the upside on Bitcoin. As you guys can see, I've got this trend line drawn there. So we probably could get into the $95,000 before we start to get maybe a resistance. But a major level of resistance probably sitting at 95. So I think we've got some little bit more room to the upside. That's just the probability standpoint. Just taking a look at Apple, there's really no resistance at the top, right? Because we are at the highs. NV, Tesla, yeah, they all looks pretty decent so far. VIX kind of like pushing it back down, right? VIX is trying to push it back down. So let's take a look at the USD. DXY, USD, a mixed bag. All right, it's mixed, right? So we got a big level of resistance, kind of getting pretty close now on QQQ and SPY both. So, right, 684 and SPY, that's a pretty big level. And we've got QQQ. We actually kissed 617, which was obviously a big level of resistance. All right. All right, it's a very tricky day, guys. Very tricky day. And the market closes early, so I don't know if I want to be yeah, I want to be careful with my trades here today. Yeah, I got. Oh my god, guys, we're getting a pullback here. 1 second, guys. Pullback here.
Order sealed. Order sealed. Order sealed. Order sealed. Order sealed.
What the F was that, guys? Holy mochino. And that looked like a dump pitch, and then all of a sudden you get this big wick here, 10 points wick. What the mochino is that? All right, there we go. Now we're getting a pullback. Jeez, man. Almost choked. Ah, I can't breathe anymore. There we go. We are getting that small little pullback. You know, I'm not gonna expect to see a flush down, you know, or anything like that, right? There we go, guys. We're getting a nice little pullback here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I like it. I like it. A little more down. Little more down. Oh man, shit. We are. Yeah, what a choppy morning. Oh yeah. We're getting a bounce now. I'm still up, but I mean it's hard to read this price action, right? Overall, we are kind of like neutral, to be honest with you. We're not bullish, we're not bearish, right? Coming into the market now. But yet again, I'm trying to play the channel, right? I'm trying to play the channel, and I'm kind of going, okay, well, I'm gonna try and short at, you know, between 390 to 400 area, and then long on a pullback into the 360s. And if we pierce through in any of this direction, then I'm gonna have to exit my trade. So that's the same idea as yesterday. That hasn't changed, right? That hasn't changed. I've got 2 micro contracts that probably end up loading in a little more on a bounce back into 390.95. And you know what? I could be wrong, of course. I mean, I lose tons of accounts, right? I lost one account yesterday, last night, thanks to CME halt. Maybe this gives me a chance to load in a different account instead of going with the 50. I didn't realize that we have actually a pretty good deal with the funding ticks on the 150 case, which I think Raja on our Discord just mentioned. And I completely forgot that we even had this account. Let's take a look and see. 139 for 150k account. Yeah, man, that's yeah, man, 150k account. Yeah, that's a pretty hot deal. End of day drawdown. Yeah, I think that's a pretty good, man. Pretty good deal. I completely forgot about that. Yeah, man. All right, guys, we are getting a little bounce. I mean, I've only got 2 contracts, right? 2 micros. I'm gonna panic just yet. You know what I mean? Overall, I'm still up, even though it's a few bucks. It looks like we're trying to get a bounce back up again, guys. We'll see. We got a big fat resistance that sitting in that 395 to 400 area, so we got to kind of try to break out of that level to feel a lot more bullish. But yeah, we are trying to pierce through that now. We are trying to get a nice little break out of this area now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, guys, I've got 7 contracts up to the downside. Let's see, guys, man. Yeah, it looks like it wants to break out, but again, it's kind of struggling. There we go, guys. There we go. We are getting that pullback we are looking for. That's nice, nice, nice. Let's just get a little more, just a little more. Come on.
Order filled.
All right, down to 3 now, down to 2 contracts, and we are getting a pullback here, guys, as we speak. I mean, I could have waited for a little longer, I guess, but I mean, yeah, like I said again, we better not be trying to cute with this market, guys. This market could do a lot of funky stuff this morning, right? I think this market could give us a lot of surprises coming into this morning. I tell you that much. Guys, you can't see my screen. If you guys are using a phone, if you don't have a good network right now, then it's gonna be blurry, right? All right, so we are getting a little bounce. I am gonna exit this trade.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh man.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, a little mistake on my side. Yeah.
Filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, final take profit there. Yeah, that was a tough one. I made a slight mistake, but I somehow found a way to get rid of that, so that's good. Yeah, sum up. Oh man, 7 War, man, thanks for using my code for FDS, man. Thank you so much, brother. And thank you guys, all of you, for using my code as well, across the board, across all the firms. Once again, I love you guys. Thank you so much. All right, so we are this price action is pretty wonky, man. It's tough to trade, I'll tell you that much. Oh my god. So wow, look at this chop here between 390 to 730, 375. And like I said again, I've been playing this chop, right? And I've been playing this chop, and I've been in green playing this chop through Apex accounts and the funding ticks. I mean, I was down on one account, but I was down on that account because of CME halt. Nothing much I could do on that one, to be honest. Right? That kind of broke me down, but other than that, everything looking pretty good. So you know, it's yeah, but it's still a very chopped day, right? Be careful if you guys are trading this. There's a lot of fake breaks, right? Both direction, up and down. So yeah, got to be really careful, guys. But it does look like it wants to get a nice little breakout, guys. It does look like it wants to. But maybe I'm gonna try and risk. Oh man, we are already ripping here, guys. We already ripping. This is already going up without me. All right, the 395, guys. We are trying to break out of this area now. I have no idea, man. Like it halted last night, and I wasn't complaining, but I did mention is this market halted, and that's what everybody said. It's halted, and the CME, there's some problem with I don't know. There was a little bit of a glitch. Long story short, and CME halted the market, and I was in a trade, and I could not exit my trade, of course. So you know, I wake up in the morning, the account's no longer there, but nothing much I can do, right? No one's gonna give me my accounts back, so we're in a range with the highs. Let's get 2 or 3 bull. Yeah, we're very much in that range. Problem with their cooling system. Cooling system, yeah, man. I don't know, man. I was definitely not happy. But anyways, guys, we are getting a nice little break to the upside here, guys. Look at that. We are piercing through. We are getting up. We're a 0.5% up right now, guys. We broke out. We broke out, guys. Let's see if we hold this area as we speak. Let's see. We could just keep going here. Do we have a bull flag here, guys? Do we have a bull flag? All right, guys. I'm gonna try and long on a pullback here, guys. I'm gonna try and long on a pullback here. I'm probably better off try to long on a pullback here, back into maybe 400 area now. Let's see if we retest the 400 area, guys. I'll try to go long there. Let's see a different account. 3 to 1. Yeah, this is a different account. I'm gonna place my long. Yeah, I'm gonna place my long here, guys, and then look to see a little pullback down. Oh my god, it's gonna go without me. Is that what it is? Yeah, I mean, some kind of a pullback possible, right? A retest of the initial breakout, right? That initial breakout was a major resistance. Now it's gonna start to act as a support, right? So we're gonna have to look to see if we retest that level. So that's 400 area. That's what we're kind of looking at. 400. All right, a quick little push down and maybe a bounce back into, I don't know, into the 450 zone. Will be nice if we do that. All right, guys, I'm looking for a slight little pullback here down into the 400, and I'd like to see that hold for another leg to the upside. That's right, G-Wood. Thanks for sharing that information. If this closes strong, she hopefully will gain momentum. The volume. Guys, we are getting a nice little break to the upside. I'm just a little concerned about, if I try to go long right here right now, then I may end up seeing a little, what if we get a flush down? You know what I mean? It's definitely very possible with a lighter volume today, with a much lighter volume today. That's definitely very much possible. So when is the giveaway time? Pretty soon here, guys. Pretty soon. Let's, guys. If you guys want to support the stream, let's get this likes up. Thank you guys so much for all your support. All right, guys. It doesn't look like this market wants to give us a pullback, right? That I've been waiting for. So I'm gonna stay a little more patient, and then I'm gonna be like, okay, well, I'm gonna have to make some calls. I don't really necessarily have to get into trade, but again, like I said, you guys know I've been scalping pretty hard, and you don't have to get a big moves to make money, right? That's the bottom line, right? I've been micro scalping and being green, even on a very tight range. Intel single-handed pumping the market. Really? Is Intel the one that's pumping this market up? Intel? Oh my mochino, guys. What in the world is going on here with Intelio? Of $40, man. It was one of the most hated stocks ever, right? It was one of the most hated stock. And it's up 7.5%. Up $3. It was one of the most hated stocks, man, including myself. I kind of hate it, and that was at $28. Yeah, it was right up here, somewhere here. One of my hated stocks, man, and we are right now at $40. Imagine if we went full port at $28, and now it's sitting at $40, man. And that too, guys. It's 3 months. We should have sold everything that we had and just load in a bunch at $28 and sell it right now. It would have doubled. Which savings account is gonna get you that much? Which savings account? Nothing. Oh, there we go, guys. We're getting a pullback here. Oh my god, I kind of chased this. A what now? Did I chase that? Did I chase that, guys? I'm gonna try and short the pop here, guys. Hold on. Hold on. I don't know. Maybe it's not a good idea. All right, I'm gonna try and shut the pop here, guys. Oh my mochino. I've got 3 contracts. I will try to reload on a bounce back here. Yeah, that should have been a long trade, to be honest, but it's okay.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Down to 4.
Order canceled. Order canceled. Order submitted.
Let's see if I can actually get over, I don't know, $100 maybe. A little bit of a bear flag on a shorter time frame, right? A little bit of a bear flag here, I don't know. That's what I see, but I may be wrong here. This could be a wrong one. This could be a wrong little trade. We'll see. Let's see if we get a little bit of a bear flag here. A push back into maybe a 390 zone. It'll be nice if we do that, right?
Filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Guess one more push, guys. Let's see if we get it, guys. One more push down.
Filled.
Oh, nice, man. Oh, nice, baby. Let's go, man. Let's go, baby. One more. I'm down to one now. Oh my god, I ran out of shares. What the heck, StockTiger? What the heck is your problem? I need more shares. I need more shares. All right, guys. I exit that trade right here, right now, sir. Oh my god. I ran out of shares. Alright guys, if you guys are enjoying what you guys see, having a lot of fun here this morning, guys, please support the stream, smash the like, and make sure to type in exclamation tiger to give yourself a chance to participate on this giveaway here this morning, guys. Alright guys, we are getting a nice little hold. We are holding that 395, by the way, so let's see if we have what it takes to kind of get a break out now, or do we get another maybe we did not necessarily get a bear flag, to be honest with you. We should have got another leg to the downside. We didn't get that, right? So I kind of feel like maybe we may chop here in this range for a little while before we get some kind of a move here. We are getting a bounce, guys. We are getting a bounce. Let's see if we hold this area now.
Order filled.
I went 2 contracts to kind of test the water. Yeah, I've got to be careful, man. We could get a bear flag here, I think. I've only got 2 contracts, so I'm not really too concerned, but
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
oh my god, what kind of a winky wonky price action was that, everybody?
Order filled.
Oh man, this price action is horrible, guys. Horrible. Yeah, what a wonky price action. We are getting a little pullback here down. 4 or 5.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Order filled.
Yeah, I better be careful, guys. If we don't hold this area here, then we could see this thing flush down. And I would be in trouble, of course, right? So
Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Man, we just can't hold this, hey? And that's the problem. We just can't for some reason. I'm gonna have to try to downsize my position on a quick bounce back up again if we get. Yeah, I'm gonna be looking for a quick pop here if I can. Probably take, I don't know, bulk of the profits, a small little profits off the table if I can. Then watch this, get back into the 410. I mean, this is what I was kind of talking about, right? I'm gonna have to downsize my position, man. This is not looking that good right now. So yeah, I wanted to take bulk of my profits off the table on that bounce. It's having a little bit of a tough time to try to get a bounce. So yeah, I want to go a lot more aggressive, to be honest, to the long, but I just can't, man. This price action right now, it's just too choppy. Incredibly choppy here, guys. But I mean, so far it's okay. I'm kind of managing my risk, and you know, even within this chop play, I'm still making profits. So that's really all that matters at the end of the day, right? I've got 8 contracts right now, guys. We're getting a little bounce, and accounts back up again. I like that, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
Nice. I'm down to 3 contracts, guys. Down to 3 contracts. Holy mochaccino, look at that, guys. The spreads are bad too, man, this morning. The spreads are also pretty bad, so gotta be careful, everybody. Oh my god. Oh bye. Yeah, I've got only down to 3 now. I'm gonna be looking for a little bounce back. Initial high. Test the initial high, guys. Let's see. Test the initial side. All right, guys. I'm gonna take all my profits off the table right below the swing high. Okay, so that's 421. I'm gonna be taking my profits at 417, 419. That's it. My final take profit right there. I'm already up 160 bucks on this account, so. I'm definitely micro scalping here all day long, guys, and this is what I've been doing all day. So
Order filled.
all right, guys, final take profit right here, guys. Boom, let's go. All right, guys, that's it. You know, that's my trades there. Yeah, it was kind of risky, but somehow we found a way to again, the target was not to be a hero today, right? The target was to try to play the chop, right? Try to take whatever we can out of this market. This market's not ready to give it to you, right? It's not presenting with an opportunity. Then what are we supposed to do? Just go with the basics, right? You know what I mean? Go with the basics and just look for a small little targets. And that's what we are getting right now this morning. What's the payout process with 50k Bulanox account? So you have to have 10 trading days, and I think you can have 2 flip day, right? So flip day meaning you can just flip in and out to count it as a day, but you got to have 8 days of trading, normal trading, and 2 flip days, so total 10 days of trading, and then you can request the payout. I think they rolled out a payout on Tuesday and Wednesday, if I'm not wrong. So let's say if you are up 10 days on Friday, then you can go ahead and request on Friday, but then they're gonna come back to you and approve on Tuesday and Wednesday. And once they approve, the money's out of your account. So for Bulanox though, I would suggest you not to trade your account until your payout is approved and the money's out of your account, right? Until you do that, better not trade. And that's it. You don't really have any other rules other than that. Well, there's a 40% consistency, but 40% consistency is like, you know what, you could still make about $1,100 to $1,200 on a single day. So All right, so let's take a look and see this market, guys. I think we've found some direction here. I kind of feel like this market now trying to push up, right? Let's take a look at, from a bigger time frame here, guys. For now, well, we pierced through that very important 420 area that obviously was acting as a resistance, right? We hit that ceiling there at 420. We got a bounce. We pierced through that 420. Now we're at 430. If we can hold this area now, I think we probably have a chance of getting bounced back into the 480, 490, and all the way into the 500 area. And I've drawn that little bar there, a channel at 500 area. I probably think we could get up there, but do we get some kind of a pullback before we start to do something like that? Could be very much possible, right? Or maybe a little descending wedge kind of a play right before we start to get a bounce back up again. There still seems to be a little bit of momentum here pushing this market back up again. The buying pressure kind of stepping in. The volume is still very light, by the way, so we may try to get something like this up here, or maybe we try to pierce through that and try to get back into the 500 before we start to get a little minor pullback, right? We'll see, guys. Let's just be a little careful. Even though it looks bullish, there's been a lot of fakes, right? A lot of fake breaks. So I don't want to be too, overly bullish, right? Be skeptical. You know what I mean? Need 250 to pass the lucid. Nice, man. You're doing way better than I am. I suck with lucid. Now, you know what? There's two firms that I'm really, well, I'm not desperate, if you will, but I'm really trying to get better at. Is Billinox and Lucid. These are two firms I'm gonna be really stepping in very aggressively to try to trade really nicely and well in December, guys. I got my eyes on Lucid and Billinox both. I'm gonna look to masterpiece these two firms this month. And I still okay, so I requested 3 accounts with funding ticks last night. I got 2 approved and 1 is still outstanding, and that's the only account that I haven't traded from a funding ticks standpoint. All right, so we have also I want to know if I can actually get to a daily payout too. What do you guys think? I want to get my daily payouts on my Take Profit Twitter. I wonder if this is the right time to do it. Yo. Guys, daily payout, man. Do I get a chance to do that? It's so up high in the air. Guys, 1 second. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to go get some coffee, and then we're going to try to step in with my pro account here, guys, and look to see if I can actually get to daily payout, right? Daily payout, guys. Just give me 1 minute, everybody. And before we do that, let's try to get in with the all right, guys, I've got my limit orders there in the play, and once I'm done trading on these accounts, I'm gonna step into my trades with Take Profit Trader Pro and look to see if I can actually get to a daily payout, guys. 1 second, I'll be right back. Don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. We got our giveaway going here, happening pretty soon, guys. I will be probably do our Lucid 50k account giveaway here in about 10 minutes. Don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. Thank you.
Order sit. Order sit.
All right, cheers everybody. I'm back here with my coffee and we are up. All right, not bad. Not bad. No stress, just a little bounce. Let's try to... I may try to add to this, guys. I kind of like what I see so far. I kind of feel like, you know, we get a nice little break out of this zone now again.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, it looks like we're getting a little rejection off that level. 437. You know.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted.
Yeah, maybe... Is this going to be a short-term ceiling? Maybe, but... Well, let me just try to quickly take some profits off the table. If I can. Just down about like 20 bucks. Nothing really truly crazy. I'm down about $40 right now. I'm kind of thinking if I have to add to my shop a long position here or just kind of hold it, right? All right, I'll just leave it there. I've got 6 contracts. Let me just leave it there and see what this market's gonna do now. Right, I may try to reload, like re-add, add to my long position here, or I'll just leave it there for now. I'm just kind of watching this market do its thing, right? Sometimes, you know, it's nice to leave the market to kind of like digest the move and find some direction. There should be nothing stopping this price to reach the $25,000, 500, really. We could, I mean, maybe we could get some volatility swings before we get there, right? Maybe. Yeah. Hold on one second. I've got a lot of payouts that came into my Rise Pay, right? I need to process those payments. Just one second, guys. I'm trying to process my my wallet from my Rise Pay to my account. Yeah, I've got the payment from Funded Next and the Funding takes both into my Rise Pay, so there's quite a few dollars payout. Feels good, you know. All right, so I've got 6 contracts. You know, I was like, you know what? Maybe should I exit my trade? I said, you know what? I'll just kind of hold this. Even though we are getting a pullback, it's hold on, we are getting a pullback here, guys. 1 second.
Order filled.
We broke down bear flag, initial bear flag, right? We got that. So I may have to, we are pretty oversold as well, so
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Could be another bear flag here too. Or now I've got to be careful. I still kind of like a little bounce, man. But the thing is, we could probably end up seeing a pullback into the 400 area now if we can't hold this. It's got to be a pretty important area now. Let's see.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, just got to be I've got to make some calls here. Either I keep adding or I exit my trade. If I kind of feel like, you know, we've got much more deeper a pullback to do here, then probably have to exit my trade, right? We'll see, guys. We kind of got a bear flag 1 and bear flag 2 here as well. We could see this thing just push back down. All right, guys, looks like we are pulling back all the way back into the 400 zone now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, looks like a bear flag to me, but yeah, I may have to exit this trade here, guys. I may have to exit this trade. I kind of got stuck on this. We'll see, guys, if we hold this 400 area now, which we could hold and try to pierce through this. If we can get above 410, that'll be really nice. So we tap the 400 area. That's a nice little level of support. Let's see if we can actually get a little bounce off that level, or we get a rejection and get a pullback here, guys. Pretty risky right at this moment.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I exited that trade. I mean, I exited that trade down quite a lot on that one. Yeah, I still have $1,100 drawdown. Well, let's see if I can actually get it back, guys. We have a nice little bear flag, man. Mistake. Like, if we can't hold this, yeah, what a nasty pullback, hey? This could be another bear flag here. Yeah, man, I should have showed it instead of long. I was looking for that quick bounce so I can actually exit my trade too, so we're not getting that. We're getting, oh man, we're retracing all the way back down again. Oh my god. Wow, look at this, guys. Yeah, that should have been a nice, beautiful short right at the top there. Not good, not good, everybody. StockTiger down. Wow, look at this pullback, guys. We're retracing all the way back down again. Ah, missed out on that move, everybody. Great, StockTiger. Did anybody catch that move to the downside? Oh my god. Well, I'm not gonna think about it too much, but at least the fact that I exited my trade, I guess I'm gonna have to be okay with that for now. Oh, did you call that? Nice, man. Nice. Yeah, man, I completely misread that. It's my mistake. But you know what? I was trying to exit my trade closer to break even, but I did not get a chance. It's just, you know, just one of those things, right? I was looking for that cap bounce, but look at this pullback. There was no literally no bounce at all in this pullback, right? So I kind of had to exit my trade right there to try to stay alive in this trade, in this count. So too bad. It's just one of those moments where, all right guys, I'm gonna try and hold on, I'm gonna try and short this again. Yeah,
Order filled.
yeah, I don't know, this bounce doesn't seem to be holding, so I'll try to short this on a pop. If we reverse this back up again, I'm gonna be like, oh my god, looks like we're trying to reverse back. I mean, I'm just in one micro just to kind of test the water, but I'm gonna get a bounce all the way back again. I don't know, man. I don't know if that's the case. We got a resistance, a big level of resistance here sitting at 395, which obviously was acting as a resistance before it became a support, and now it's going to be acting as a resistance again. And that's a major level, because every time we try to kiss that area, we obviously got to break down, right? So we'll see, guys, if we pierce through this level now. If we can't do that, then I'm going to be looking to add to my short position here. I've got 2 micro now.
Order filled.
Yeah, I've got $1,100 of drawdown on this, so.
Filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I've got 7 contracts. I'm going to be holding this. Let's see if we can hold this throughout this process. Let's see if we get another leg to the downside here now, guys. This could be a big one. I'm looking for that another leg to the downside, guys. Let's see if we get it, man. And this is going to be a big one right here, right now. If you don't, then I will. Yeah, I'm going to be in a little trouble. But we got this big leg one, and we got a little bit of a dead cat bounce. And maybe we're getting that another leg to the downside right here, right now. Maybe not too. I don't know, man. We'll have to wait and see. But so far, it kind of looks like we're having a little bit of a tough time trying to get above. So we'll see. I may be wrong. This market is still murky. Oh my. 387. I'm down on one account. And this is the account that I'm trading right now. I'm down with. All right, guys, let's see if we get a bounce here. It does look like it's trying to hold. Maybe got a double bottom here. Maybe this could be a bottoming process. 370 area, we're kind of holding. We'll see, guys. 387. I'm looking for another leg here to the downside, and that would probably take us back all the way down to the 350. So that's like 30 points away from where we are now. Let's see, guys. I will exit this at 410. If we get a pierce through to 410, I probably end up exiting this trade. There's no point in holding this, but yeah, I'm not reading this right, man. I'm not reading this right, but we'll try. We'll try.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, 410 area. 410 is where I'm gonna be like, okay, well, I may have to maybe we kind of reverse this back up again if it's gonna pierce through this 400 and get to the 410. So that's another mistake I'll be making if we pierce through that level. It does look like we're trying to hold though, right? It does look like it's trying to hold. Yeah, I've got $800 drawdown, so I've got to be careful now. Yeah, we're trying to pierce through this 400 area now, guys.
Order filled.
I think we're trying to reverse back up again, man. We just got over 400 area, which is
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
we're trying to hold. We're trying to hold. All right, I exit that trade. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Yeah, I've got $600 drawdown. Oh my god, guys. I'm down on one account pretty hard. Yeah, man, I'm just not reading it right. I kind of got chopped on the first one, got racked on the second one, and not looking that great. I kind of feel like I'm not reading this properly. Can't believe that.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, what a pullback all the way down to just take everybody out and just get a double bottom bounce here. I should have read that. That's a W pattern. I missed that whole move. Oh my god, incredible. StockTiger in shambles. No, I'm gonna try my level best to kind of hold this account. I don't want to lose this account for sure. I'm gonna try to see if I can actually get my this trade, because it looks like it's trying to get a bounce, right? Try to retest the high here at 435. Maybe try to see if we can actually get a bounce back up again. Or is this going to be a chop? Maybe. Yeah, this could be a little chop here from here. Up, down, up, down. Yeah, one second, guys. I'm gonna try and exit this trade here. Yeah, let's just leave this market alone for now, man. I'm just yeah, I've definitely not done a good job here this morning. Yeah, it's been a tough one to trade. Yeah, I got Ashley barbecued. It's okay. It's okay. It happens. It happens. Oh my god. That's, yeah, I'm not trading my eval accounts. These are all funded accounts I'm trading. These are all funded accounts I'm trading. Yeah, man. Yeah, I think they went to hunt all the stops, SLs, up down, just take everything down. And StockTiger was one of them, kind of hidden in that range, and they took me out as well. Yeah, I'm trading all my funded accounts, by the way, guys. And I'm down. Oh, by the way, let's go ahead and do our nice, beautiful giveaway here this morning, guys. We'll get it done right now, guys. Don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. And if you guys feel terribly bad about StockTiger losing in these 2 trades that I've got into, don't forget to smack the like, guys. Let's get it done. Let's try to see if I can get the likes to over 200, guys. Let's try. If you guys want to support the stream, and let's get this giveaway going here right now, guys. Everybody in the house say ew. All right, fellow traders, StockTiger down in 2 trades. Oh well, kind of feels sucky, but nothing much I can do, right? Nothing much. What am I gonna do? Am I gonna cry? Am I gonna cry? Oh. Yeah, no, I don't want to make things. I don't want to make my day any worse. So I'm probably gonna have to maybe I don't know, man. Not a bad day. I just read it wrong, and I try to be cute with this market, and you know, kind of it's a bit of a wake up call, if you will. See, we're getting a pullback here. Look at this nasty pullback, in.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
All right, was that a little fake breakout? We'll find out, guys, momentarily. We are pulling back into 395. I went in with 15 contracts. I took 7 contracts off the table pretty quickly here with a quick little snap. That wasn't much, but I mean, still got something out of that trade. And now I'm down to 8 contracts. I'm looking to see if we can actually retest the initial low. That's the 370. I'm gonna try my level best to hold on to this trade here, guys. I want to try my level best. Hold on to this freaking trade to try to see if I can actually get something back. Oh my. Let's see, guys, if we can get another leg to the downside now, you freaking poo-poo market. Pissed me off. StockTiger is pissed. Yeah, I'm still holding this, guys. Let's see. One last chance. I'm gonna place my stop at the break even now. Oh my god, look at that mochaccino. All right, guys, my stop here right there at break even. I'm not like, yeah, I mean, there's no point. I'm gonna take a chance here. I'm gonna look for that leg down, that leg that we got here, a big push leg. Let's see if we get another one here, guys. Or maybe I'm wrong. Holy smokers, no jokers, man. Look at that bounce we are getting now. Incredibly bully. The bully isn't over yet, guys. 397, we are getting a bounce back up again. Oh my god, everybody. This price action is holy mochaccino. Out. Oh. God. Somebody help me. Well, I took $200 off that trade, but I mean, even then, I was looking for that nice little flush I can kind of like try to get back into. Maybe, you know, I don't know, break even or whatever. But damn, guys. I have no idea what is mochaccino, bro. I don't know, man. I have no idea. Don't ask me, you know. I swear to God, if I try to go long now, it's gonna give us a pullback down. I'm so tempted to short this bad boy, but I guess I'm just maybe I'm just having this little wrong biased, you know, short trade that I'm kind of looking for because I was down on my last 2 trades because I was shorting. Sorry, I was long, so I kind of feel like, you know, maybe I was down on the last 2 trades because I was short, and now I want to be shorting. Sorry, because I was long. So now I'm trying to short this market, but I guess that's just not the way to do this. Yeah, it looks still pretty bouncy, so I'm gonna have to just leave this trade alone, guys. Let's just go ahead and do our giveaway, guys. Don't forget to smack the like, guys, as well, if you guys want to support the stream, and if you guys are enjoying what you guys see here this morning. You know, StockTiger obviously is down on one account pretty hard, you know, but too bad, you know, it's just one of those days, right? So let's go ahead and do our giveaway for now, you know, and just be and have a great day, you know. Let's have some fun here, guys. All right. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. StockTiger, what have you done today? Alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do our giveaway now. If you have not done, typing in exclamation tiger, better do it right now because I'm gonna close the entries. And once I close the entries, guys, I know you guys are gonna type it again and again. I know. But I'm gonna have to force it. Force closure. Force closure. Man, this freaking snowing never ends, man. I had to shovel so much of snow this morning. Holy mochaccino. Come on, perfect play. What have you done to the snow? Now I'm kind of scared to do even daily payouts. I am really. I don't think I'm going to be touching my pro account today. Because I kind of feel like today is the kind of a day that I'm going to be wrecking even more. make things even worse if I continue to trade. So maybe I should just call it. I should just call it, I think. And by the way, I did not notice, but Funding Ticks has a 150k account for $139. Everything end of day drawdown. Incredible, incredible, guys. Incredible. I didn't know that they had a 150k account. They have it right now, guys. This is your chance. But me personally, I still prefer to have the 50k account, of course. So all right, guys, I'm gonna close the entries now. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, everybody. Thank you guys for being here this morning. Guys, if you guys want to support StockTiger stream, please do not forget to smack the like, guys. If you guys want to support, and if you guys love what you guys see, thank you so much. All right, closing the entries right here, right now. All right, good luck, everybody. The countdown is over. Oh yeah, finally I've got my Funding Ticks payout that I requested last night. It's got approved this morning, so that's good. No, I didn't start late. I said I'm gonna start at 10 o'clock in the morning Eastern time, and that's what I'm here. Man, I've been going straight all the way back to back. Globex Asia in New York for the last 3-4 days now. A great Thanksgiving, man. Great Thanksgiving. And of course, without you guys, this has never been possible. So thank you mucho. I love you guys. Mwah. All right, guys, time for picking the winner now. All right. Let's find out who the winner is going to be here today's morning. Oh, baby. I can't wait to see. All right, good luck, guys. Picking the winner now. Okay, guys. Mr. Nova. Mr. Novatel in the house, man. You gotta let me know you are here this morning. All right, Nova. Mr. Nova in the house. Yes or no? I'm gonna give you 3 minutes to confirm that you are here, or we are going to have to redraw again as usual, right? Our tradition does not go to... Oh my God! Come on, Mr. Nova. Come on, Nova. I thought you were gonna be smarter than that. Just kind of wait until the very end, you know, make it very exciting. But you had to somehow come on right now and say you are here. Oh my God. God. Oh my God, guys. Mr. Lucid Nova is here, and he's bid the market. Mr. Nova, congrats, man. You are the winner here today. Yeah, next time, guys, man, let's try to wait. You know, let's just make it a little more exciting. You know what I mean? Oh, well. All right, guys, I'm just gonna go now. The market is kind of dead, and I'm down, you know? And I'm gonna have to go shovel some more snow because it's freaking snowing like crazy here right now. Very bad, guys. Very bad. Too much work, too much labor. And I definitely did not pay myself this morning. $1,700 down on my funded account. Too bad. The Intel is killing you. You had a swing trade around $20. Nova, I'm gonna have you DM me on a Discord. So come on to Discord, guys. I'm gonna share my Discord link, by the way, if you guys want to hang out in one of the... All right, this is my Discord link, and Nova, I'm gonna have you DM me on our Discord, and I'll go ahead and take care of your listed account. Right? Thank you guys once again. By the way, the market closes early today, 1 o'clock Eastern time. So you guys better close all your positions before the market closes, or on some firms they're going to close your account and they're going to shut it down right? It's a big problem. You guys are gonna lose your account if you don't close your positions. So everybody, guys, thank you guys for hopping in this morning. Thank you guys. It was a lot of fun this morning. Thank you once again. Have a great rest of the day. Happy Thanksgiving once again. We'll see you guys back on a Sunday night. Guys, Globex Asia, hopefully we get a better trades going. 5:30 p.m. Eastern time, guys, on a Sunday night. Everybody, have a great rest of the Friday. Thanksgiving once again to my fellow traders in USA. Congrats to the winner. Take care. God bless everybody, you and your family, and peace. Take care, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. See ya, amigos. Peace.